What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Honor Pad 9 by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any hitting issue or not. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So for this testing purpose, we have set the screen refresh rate to 120Hz. The smart resolution is turned off, and from the battery setting we will use the performance mode to get the best performance out of the device. Right now the battery percentage is 40, and these are the games we got today here on our Honor Pad 9. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So the Honor Pad 9 does not provide any kind of FPS meter on Honor Pad 9 or any of the Honor devices, so we will have to rely on our eyes that how much FPS we are going to get. But as you can see that the graphics quality is really good and the gameplay is looking very smooth as well here.
Maybe now you'll take me seriously.
So you can see that the 3D graphics rendering is quite nice, no frame drop, no lagging. Everything is nice and smooth. Graphics quality is really good.
I will pulverize you.
So gameplay was really good while playing Injustice 2 on Honor Pad 9. So now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see by default high is selected for the graphics and very high for the frame rate. I can select max frame rate with high graphics quality. So this is the maximum possible graphics combo for Call of Duty Mobile on Honor Pad 9. So let's play the game and let's see how good the gameplay is going to be. You can see that here we have downloaded the HD resource pack to get the best graphics quality while playing Call of Duty Mobile. So we are getting great amount of details. If you have a look on the gun here, you can see how much detail we are getting, the reflection of the light. Also if you have a look on the ground, good amount of detail we are getting here, as you can see, and gameplay is pretty smooth. It's just that the device is pretty huge, a bit difficult to play it on this much huge screen. The gameplay is looking really good and smooth for sure.
It's too close. Fight harder. Plug it down.
Here you can see it's a bit blurry because it's so close and getting a bit pixelated, but other than that you can see we are getting great amount of details everywhere.
Enemy contact. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Enemy contact. Target down! Back up! Tied for the lead. Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted. Tango down. Contact with enemy. jobs. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
So you can see there is no frame drop or lagging. It's just that because of the huge screen, sometimes it's hard to control, change the direction and all. And here we go. So there was no frame drop, no lagging, everything was nice and smooth while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Honor Pad 9. The graphics quality was great, no frame drop, and we were getting great amount of details. So let's close Call of Duty Mobile. Now let's play Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see we have selected the high graphics quality with 60 FPS frame rate mode. So let's play the game and let's see how smooth the gameplay is going to be. The graphics quality is looking pretty nice, especially if you have a look on the ground, the texture and everything. And because of the 8 speakers we got here, the audio quality is really nice. So you can see that the graphics quality is really good. And there is no frame drop or lagging. Gameplay is very smooth, so I believe we are getting 60 FPS here for sure. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Asphalt 9 on Honor Pad 9, and as I said, I believe we were getting 60 FPS with great graphics quality. So let's close Asphalt 9 and now it's time to play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, you can see by default HD is selected for graphics, high for the frame rate. I cannot select HDR onwards. If I go to balance, then ultra frame rate is getting enabled. So I'm going to play the game on balanced graphics with ultra frame rate, and let's see how smooth the gameplay is going to be. And here you can see once again that we have downloaded the high quality images and audio. So here you can see that we are getting good amount of details once again. If you have a look on the costume of the character, how the light is reflecting from the shoulder pad, the costume, the vest, it's looking pretty nice for sure. So once again you can see how much details we are getting. If you have a look on the costume of the character, gameplay is pretty smooth, so I think we are getting around 45 FPS to 60 FPS. So once again you can see no frame drop, no lagging, everything is nice and smooth while playing PUBG Mobile on Honor Pad 9. So you can see how smooth is the gameplay. And here we go. So as you can see, everything was nice and smooth while playing PUBG Mobile on Honor Pad 9. Now talking about the battery percentage moved from 40 to 31 after playing all of these games for like 50 minutes. So considering the fact that we were playing all of these games on the highest possible graphic setting and 120Hz refresh rate, the battery performance seems quite impressive, and you will be able to play high-end games on this device for 8 to 9 hours easily. Talking about the heating, the device is not even slightly warm on the back, and the same goes with the frame as well, totally at the normal temperature. So this is also quite impressive that after playing all of these games for continuously a bit more than 50 minutes, there is not even minor slight heating issue on this device. So once again, if you are a gamer, you will be happy with the performance of this device because you won't feel any throttling issue while playing games on Honor Pad 9. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.